I got to tell you that if you have any questions about money, you got to ask this guy. Simply Money's Nathan Bachrach. He is in this morning to tell us how to save money and put it towards good use for so many topics. When we talk about the Neiman Marcus calendar or catalog, not a lot of people can afford that, but you're helping people in the tri-state at least save some money.
Yeah, that's I call them needless markup, by the way.
Yeah, absolutely. So we put it out there to people to ask you questions. The first of which I think is really interesting. Take a look at the graphic. I've been asked to consider buying a variable universal life policy. Would you recommend one?
No, I wouldn't recommend one. For most people, 99% of our viewers should buy term insurance if they need life insurance. Okay. If they need investments, they should go buy investments. Whenever you put both of those things together, invariably, that's the reason why insurance companies have home offices made out of marble. They're expensive. You never know how much you're actually getting on the internal side of the investment, or how the investments are performing. Get some term insurance. Keep it nice and simple. You can get as much as you probably need anyway.
What's the attraction to that to begin with?
Geez, you know what it is? It's somebody with a pen in their hand who says, you know, this is what you really need here. This is perfect for you, okay? My suggestion, get term insurance. Most of the sales pitches that go along with it are just that.
And obviously ask a lot of questions.
Yeah, or call. Send us an email. We'll help you out.
Cool. The second question, take a look at your screen. I need $10,000 for home repairs. I'm considering borrowing $20,000 because the closing costs are high enough that it doesn't seem worth it for a $10,000 loan. What should I do?
Well, they're worrying about the wrong thing there. That's like when my kids come home and say, look at these things I didn't need, but I got them because they were on sale, so I got twice as many of them. If you need $10,000, borrow $10,000. But pay attention to the interest costs. I don't really care about closing costs. Your closing costs might be great if it's a really inexpensive loan. If the loan is very expensive, not such a good idea. Home equity lines of credit typically are interest only for a while, so you never really make a dent in the principal, and then you wonder, gee, how come it is that I still owe $10,000, or in this case, $20,000? A home equity line, a home equity, a loan, a regular loan against the house, you'll pay principal and interest, and so you have to figure out if you can, which will be cheaper long term.
Okay, we talked about the Neiman Marcus calendar just a couple of minutes ago. What are people supposed to do when approaching the holiday season? Your tip of the day, which I think is the best one out there.
Here's my tip of the day. First, figure out what the budget is, right? And then carry cash. Because if I was buying you a Christmas present, I might go, I'm not spending $40 on Dan. I'm only spending $20 on Dan. And by the way, when all the money is gone, then so should be your shopping for Christmas.
Good advice.
Right? There you go.
Good advice. We love that, of course. You can hear Nathan all the time on 55 KRC. We have put all the information. Plus, if you want to ask him a question, feel free to do so. We're back after the break. Stay with us.